Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of Botswana's most vibrant cultural events, the Marula Festival. Get ready to discover the magic and meaning behind this extraordinary celebration. In the heart of southern Africa, Botswana hosts an annual event that beautifully bridges the past and present, honoring the marula fruit. Known locally as BaYei Marula, this festival is more than just a harvest. It's a spiritual gathering steeped in tradition. The marula fruit, often called the fruit of the elephant, is treasured not just for its nutritional value but for its deeper symbolic meanings. In Botswana, marula stands for fertility, abundance, and spiritual renewal. It's not uncommon to spot elephants, those majestic creatures, drawn to the fruit, adding to its mystique and significance. So what makes the Marula Festival so special? It all starts with the act of harvesting. Families come together, hand-picking the fruits and preparing traditional drinks. This practice strengthens community bonds and showcases a shared respect for nature's cycles. At the heart of the festival are the spiritual rituals. Before any celebration kicks off, the first marula fruits are offered to the ancestors. Traditional leaders conduct ceremonies under ancient marula trees or sacred spots, giving thanks and seeking blessings. It's believed that not honoring the ancestors can lead to poor harvests or misfortune, making these rituals deeply significant. One of the most awaited moments, the brewing and sharing of marula drinks. Each family has its own recipe passed down through generations. These mildly alcoholic beverages are enjoyed during communal gatherings filled with music, dance, and storytelling. It's a time when cultural knowledge and values are passed on in the most joyful way. Music, dance, and stories are the festival's lifeblood. Traditional instruments, rhythmic beats, and captivating dances tell stories of the marula tree, the community's history, and their spiritual beliefs. Elders share tales that are rich with lessons, humor, and history, reinforcing a shared cultural identity. Women are the heart and soul of the Marula Festival. From collecting the fruit to brewing drinks, their contributions are vital. Recently, women have also used this platform to promote marula-based products like oils and soaps, creating new economic opportunities. The marula fruit's appeal extends beyond tradition. Its oil is in demand for cosmetics and skincare, providing income for local families and supporting agriculture. The festival has also become a cultural attraction, drawing both local and international tourists, boosting the economy and sharing Botswana's rich heritage with the world. One of the festival's greatest strengths is how it brings generations together. Children learn to harvest, prepare drinks, and participate in dances and songs. They listen to stories that explain the rituals, ensuring that the tradition remains alive and meaningful. But with growth comes challenges. Increased commercial interest and tourism can sometimes overshadow the festival's true meaning. Cultural leaders are working hard to preserve its spiritual and traditional roots, educating both locals and visitors about its deeper significance. The Marula Festival is supported by traditional leaders, local officials, and national figures, linking tradition with development and addressing issues like education, health, and the environment. In conclusion, the Marula Festival is more than a celebration. It's a powerful reflection of the bond between people, land, and spirit. It honors ancestors, supports community values, empowers women, and keeps traditions alive. As long as marula trees bear fruit, this festival will continue, rooted in history, guided by spirit, and celebrated with pride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the Marula Festival, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cultural adventures. See you next time.